Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Kung ano po yung mga ingredients sa ating embutido. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Pagkatapos, ilalagay na po natin yung ating ground chicken. Ayan. Sa press option. Itong lalagay ko po to mahigit 2 kilo. 2.2 kilogram po itong ating giniling na manok. Okay. Hindi ko na hinugasan. Tiwala naman ako sa press option. At saka, pinatiktik ko na yan. Binutas ko yung plastic kanina. So, lahat-lahat ng mga dapat tumulo, tumulog na. Makikita nyo, medyo marami itong gagawin ko na na embutido. Ngayon, lalagay po natin itong ating binder. Siyempre, itlog. Ginagamit natin yan sa lumpia, sa mga ganito. Binder po yung itlog. Itong itlog na nilalagay ko, nandito ko na rin po nilagay yung pampalasa at saka yung secret ingredients ko. So, secret kaya nga hindi ko mapakita, no? O, yan. Pag-adore na po natin lahat. Since yung manok po walang taba, gagamit po tayo ng oil. Hindi katulad kasi ng ground pork, merong taba yun. So, maglalagay tayo ng oil. Olive oil po sana ang maganda, pero syempre hindi ko afford ng olive oil. Vegetable oil lang po. Lalagay natin. Tapos, kailangan natin lagyan ng asin. Pero instead of asin, nakasanayan ko na talaga ang ginagamit kong pampaalat. Soy sauce. Medyo weird, pero kahit sa spaghetti po ang ginagamit kong pampaalat, ay soy sauce pa rin. Ayan, medyo dumami. Pausa na. Ayan. Matigas-tigas pa yung ating